going to jail!
What's up, guys? Welcome back. And if you're new, my name's Andrew. I have a 2018 tuned EcoBoost. It's tuned by Purple Drink Tuning, and today we'll be reviewing the FP0612 OHTSU tire.
Woo, baby! They make some smoke.
Okay, so first part of the review, they definitely make some smoke, man, and they have some grip. It's not a Mickey Thompson or a drag radio, but for 284 bucks, they're fucking sticky. It's not bad. So they hook in a straight line. I can say the only thing that differs significantly from my Nitto Imbos is turning like at an intersection. When I hit boost, before the Nittos, they would grip, and these have me Tokyo fucking drifting at every fucking intersection. So it's dope, it's different, but you just gotta learn it, and you're able to feel when the car goes, when the weight of the car shifts. So it's fine if you know what you're doing. So if you clicked on this, the title says it's a review. And what's my review on this? Man, these are a bang for your buck. You're able to burn them, you're able to get some grip, and you're able to corner with them, and you have some peace of mind, man. That's the best thing about these, because you are able to burn through these and you're not burning through your wallet. You can have a set of drag tires specifically for the drag or track. You can have some street tires, and you can have some just throwaway tires you can buy from like a fucking tire shop just so you can drift, you know. But these for the street, they're perfect, man. They grip when you need them to, but they make a shitload of smoke too, so it's fun. It's a bang for your buck. I appreciate you if you made it this far, man, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe, because we got some more stuff coming along the way, man. We ain't gonna stop, it never stops. Keep having fun, enjoy your day, stay blessed, stay up. Peace.